Ladies and gentlemen, this is another video tour of a house for sale. Okay, what are we seeing in this episode? We are looking at a house located in Kabeza. This house has a 300 square meter lot, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. I'm going to be giving you all the details about it. It's on the market for 130 million Rwandan francs or $100,000. And if interested, hit me up on the contact details in the description down below. Let's start with this episode. Alrighty, starting our episode, we start from outside here, where we have a 2-car parking space with these nice pavers. They are really of good quality. The front of the house has so many things to see, accentuated by this column that is clad with some rare stones. These stones come from all over the place because this one comes from the northern part of the country, this one comes from the eastern part of the country. So you have a lot of things happening just to bring you a beautiful welcome to your home. And as a structure, this house has a beautiful presentation to it. As you're closing in parking, you have a really beautifully looking house. More on the accents, we as well have this wall really clad with, again, this is what I usually call dry magma, but they told me it's called volcanic stone that is cladding this middle part of the house, just giving it a different look. The front porch is presentable. Of course, we still have that column made of some exquisite stone, but as well we have this cantilevered roofline that gives the opening to your house or the front of your house this beautiful modern texture. I mean, no column here, so this is beautiful. But again, what else can we see? We still have the same stones on this column up here. We have 3 types of gardens over here. This is the first one with beautiful choice of flowers. A second section over here, again, I can't speak more of this beautiful choice of flowers, but again, this one is inspired mainly of stones. So it's made out of stone, and I think once everything greens up and grows up properly, it's gonna be beautiful. But as well, we have this green gazon on the side, so that, you know, if you have kids and they need to play, this is a very beautiful place for them to play. As well, you can set up a nice sitting area on this side, and the combination of all these, it's what makes a nice impression to this beautiful home that you can call yours. Let's see at the back what we have. At the back of this property, we don't really have much going on, but we have some details. We have a back porch, and that has an allocation for where you can set up your washing machine. And of course, the porch has a door that links you directly to the kitchen inside of the house. And as we continue this way, we find the typical annex that you would expect in a Rwandan house, and it features a kitchen, a maid's room, and a bathroom and a toilet. Up there as well, we have an additional tank of water to give you supply of constant water even if city water runs out. And of course, from the annex, you get to see the garden. Now let's get inside the house and see what it looks like. Back to the front of the property, front porch, beautiful, and we enter this beautiful center section that is all open. Sliding doors tucking on the side open up to this beautiful open living room. This space is huge. You're looking at 7 meters by 5, so this space gives you an opportunity to customize this space as you want. Living room setup over here, dining on that side, and an open kitchen. Of course, these tiles are different. They are marble, beautiful tiles, something we've never seen in any other house. And of course, the lighting in this house is perfect. Apart from these big sliding doors that gives you a lot of natural light, we have an addition of spotlights or recessed light in all corners of this ceiling. We have gypsum ceilings above, beautiful chandelier over here, and the modern piece on the side of the dining area, cove light detail, technically all the details you need in a modern house. I mean, this developer didn't cheapen up on anything. Let's see the kitchen. This kitchen is beautiful and packed with details. First thing first, we have this breakfast table clad nicely with granite countertops, beautiful niched out space where you can set up like stools and sit over here. And I love the cladding they have with these wood studs. I think it's panels because it looks like it's a single panel all the way. That is good because it helps out if you need to replace it. That means it's an easy removal, but again, it gives this space a nice transition. And I love that they didn't skip the color scheme that is going on with the tiles and this. It kind of complements very, very well. And as well, getting to this space, this place is nice. I love this black cabinetry. They have this kind of reflective space to them, so they are good. Let's see if they have soft close. There you go. They have soft close, and this kitchen comes fitted. So we have a Bompani extractor fan, we have a 4-burner gas cooktop, and an oven down here, something we don't see every day. And as well on the side, we have this double sink with a pull-out faucet, something modern. I think the whole feeling in this kitchen is beautiful because all these cabinetry gives you some really good space. One little detail I almost missed, they took the tile down there and they used it as a backsplash for your kitchen. You know, this is a really modern kitchen. Space for your fridge. I'm a little disappointed because this beautiful kitchen of course needs a double door fridge. It looks like the space they left is just for a single door fridge, but this is a detail that one can adjust. But I love that you have space to work on, space to work on, space to work on. Technically, this is a functional kitchen, and remember that door leads to the outside. Now, let's see what does the secondary rooms look like. This section of the house, which is the right section, has 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. And the first room is a bit spacious. We have 4 meters by 3, big window to give you clarity and ventilation. The marble tiles continued even in the room. We have high ceilings with gypsum ceilings above, and there is something they did into this house that you don't see every day in most houses. Of course, it's not the fact that they match the colors of the doors to the colors of the switches of the house, but they made sure to include enough plugs for your bedrooms. For instance, we have one over here, two over there, 2 over here, and they remember to leave a plug for your TV, just in case you love entertainment into your room. The setup of this second room is as well similar to that one, just slightly smaller, because this one extends to 3 meters by 3 meters, but the rest is the same. Bathroom, we have a nice bathroom over here, good size. We have a small vanity over here. I think this is the only thing that I don't like in this bathroom, but the rest is nice because the toilet is good. We have a nice enclosed walk-in shower with beautiful glass because it's solid, it feels nice, it feels luxurious. We have a nice space for your, washing, showering, niched out space for and everything. Of course, let me open up for you to show you the water heater. We have a water heater in every bathroom in this house. The tile work as well is nice. They have this nice marbly texture into the tiles. I think the bathroom is really, really good. I just don't like the vanity they used, but that's a little accessory. The third room is self-contained, as well slightly smaller. We have 3 meters by 3 meters. The details are similar to what we saw in the other house. So plugs by the side of the bed, switch at the head of the bed, TV plugs on this other side. Nice space, high ceilings, big window for ventilation and clarity. Technically, everything you need for this small room. This room is as well self-contained, so we have a full bathroom in here. Let me show you the master bedroom. The master bedroom as well is a good room. Look at the size of this thing. We're looking at 3.5 meters by 4, so pretty spacious for any bed you would think of. Again, enough plugs for all your devices, high ceilings with these crystal-shaped gypsum designs, some additional space where you can fix a shoe rack or something, and of course, being the master, it has the best bathroom. Look at this space. Pretty spacious of a bathroom, and we have sections. Lovely vanity, I love the modern texture to it. touch mirror with a nice cove light detail behind it, but I love this whole vanity space. It feels different. We have some nice choice of tiles. These are different, so easy to clean, beautiful. They look nice with these marble veins going on. Toilet in the middle, niched out for your toiletries and everything. And on the side, we have got the nice walk-in shower. So of course, can be enclosed properly. We have a water heater above. Again, who doesn't need comfort? We have a nice rain head. I think if you're above 2 meters, you're gonna have a problem. But if you're my height, yay, fantastic. Nice devices. Overall, just a beautiful bathroom that is clean, that is neat, that feels luxurious. So, on the overall, that's the house we had for you today. If you remember very well, we have 2 rooms over here that share a bathroom. We have 1 room in the corner, which is self-contained. The master is on that section. Very open living room in the middle section. And this house is located in Kabeza, 300 square meters of land. You have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, just a beautiful space, a beautiful home for you to live in, and it's on the market for 130 million Rwandan francs or $100,000. Come back. Almost left without telling you your number. My number is +250 788 44 1844. Call me if you want to have a visit of this house. Until next time, ciao.